Ecuadorians have lit a fire internationally. That folks from India and Australia, other parts of the world, are now coming to Ecuador to begin to think about replicating what has happened here in those other countries. And we are lucky enough to be at the juncture point of different countries requesting help to actually duplicate and replicate what you've done here, with an understanding that enforcement and other things still need to be figured out. But that's a really exciting point to be at.